Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 25, Objective. Model decompositions of 9 using a story situation, objects, and number bonds. All right, before we get started, let's warm up our brains and tell me how many you see and how many more to make 5. So I see 3. How many more? Visualize the 2 more that you would need, right? 1, 2. 3 and 2 makes 5. Good job. Let's do the next one. 1. How many are missing? 4. 1 and 4 makes 5. We see 4. How many are missing? 1. 4 and 1 makes 5. We see 2. How many are missing? 3. 2 and 3 makes 5. We see 3, and we know that how many are missing? 2. 3 and 2 makes 5. 1 and 4. Good, say it. 1 and 4 makes 5. Show me 4. How many are missing? 1. Show me these fingers. 4 and 1 makes 5. All right, and last one. We see 2. How many are missing? 3. Show me these fingers. 2 and 3 makes 5. Good job, friends. All right, let's count how many dots are on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did we have? 9. Good. Let's draw the number 9. First a circle, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. That's going to be in our whole because that's how many we have all together. Let's take a look at our parts. All right. I'm going to draw a line and we're going to figure out how many we have on this side and how many we have on this side to make the number 9. Good. Let's count this side first. 1, 2, 3. Good. How many is on this side? How many dots do we have? Good. We have 6. 6 and 3 makes 9. Well done. All right, let's go ahead. We can keep that 9 in the whole, and let's break it up a different way. How many inside the red line? 4. How many outside of the red line? 5. 4 and 5 makes 9. Great job. Today we're going to draw some flowers. There were 9 flowers in Bianca's beautiful garden. She had 2 vases. So you're going to draw some flowers in this vase, let's call it vase number or letter A, and vase letter B. We can draw it a lot of different ways. So if you don't draw it the way Miss Plitt does, that's okay. Remember, you can only have 9 flowers. I'm going to draw lines to represent my flowers. So I'm going to do 1 here, 2. Remember, we have to stop at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I know that I have 9 flowers, but I could also go back and count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I do. Do your flowers? Do you only have 9 flowers? Good. If not, make sure that you erase some or add some to make sure you only have 9. All right, let's write our number sentence. 3 flowers in vase A plus how many flowers in vase B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, equals how many flowers all together for Miss Plitt's drawing? 9. Good job. And again, you could have had a different vase and flower situation and drawing. You could have had 2 and 7 equals 9. You could have had 5 and 4 equals 9. You could have had 1 and 8 equals 9. So those are the options that you could have had to make the number 9 in your two different vases. You could have also switched the number. So instead of 2 plus 7, yours might say 7 plus 2. Great job. All right, today for our activity, you can get out your cubes to represent your bears, and you can use a bowl to represent your cave. For my honey pot, I'm just going to use part of my desk to represent that the bears can go either to the honey pot on this side or the cave on this side. You need 9 cubes today. All right, once you have your 9 cubes, we're going to get started. For my first story, I had 3, and we'll do actually one more. So I had 4 bears in the cave and 5 bears at the honey pot. See if you can make up a story, tell someone the story, and fill in your number bond. Altogether, we had 9 bears. 4 of them were in the cave. 5 of them were in the honey, at the honey hive, the beehive. So we want to make sure that we can tell the story on our own. So I'm going to start over again, and I'm going to tell a different story. Once upon a time, there were 9 bears. Put my 9 in the number bond. One bear decided he was really hungry and went to the beehive. The rest of the bears decided they were really sleepy and decided to go to the cave. What are the 2 numbers that make up my 9? Let's look at the parts. One of the parts is the beehive, 1 bear. The other part is how many went to the cave to sleep. Go ahead and count them. 8 bears. Great job. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Good. You can also write it as a subtraction story, right? We could say that we started with all 9 bears, and one of the bears, we take him away, and one of the bears, he didn't stay in the cave, he went to the honey pot. So 9 take away 1 equals 8. 8 bears left in the cave. Great job. Same numbers, but we're writing it in a different way. Writing an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence. Keep growing that brain. All right, let's practice with our stories. We got jellyfish today and butterflies. Let's see how many jellyfish we have all together. Go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Show me 9 fingers. Good. I wrote 9 in my number bond, and we're going to do some of our jellyfish are blue. I'm just going to do a quick little line X's on them. Some of them are blue, and the rest of them are just going to be left white for this story real quick. How many are blue? Go ahead and count them. Good. Show me 5. How many are white? Oops, silly Miss Plitt, you're right. It's not 5, it's 6. Let me go back and count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are blue. And how many are white? 3. Good job. Thanks for catching me and helping me grow my brain. 6 and 3 makes 9. Well done. All right, let's do our butterflies. How many do we have all together? 9. Good. You can draw them however you want. I'm going to draw some of them with an orange line. And then we're going to figure out how many are white and how many are orange. Let's start with the orange ones. How many are orange? Oh, let's do one more. There you go. How many are orange? 7. Good. Thanks for fixing that for me. I didn't want to do the same problem as above. So we have 7 that are orange, and how many are white? 2. Good job. 7 and 2 makes 9. Great work, friends. All right, we're going to do one more story with some chocolate chip cookies and Oreo cookies. Let's see how many cookies we have all together. 9. How many chocolate chip? Good, you did that so quick. You know that there's always 5 on top. How many Oreos? 4. Write our number sentence. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Or we can write it the other way. 9 is the same as 5 plus 4. Great job today, friends. Thanks for joining me.